to mercury bulb. To force mercury to move down quickly to what? To mercury bulb. Okay, sit down. Any problems? Any problem? This is the structure of what? Of medical thermometer. Okay? Structure of Celsius thermometer. What's the structure of Celsius? Celsius thermometer is similar to clinical thermometer in its structure except two parts. Number one, it consists of a transparent glass tube with a capillary tube. Transparent glass tube with a capillary tube. Number two, the other end of capillary tube is connected to a bulb filled with mercury, but there is no constriction. And it's an important part or it's important information in Celsius thermometer, which is characterized by the clinical thermometer. As Celsius thermometer has no constriction. Okay? Has no what? Has no constriction. Number three, above the bulb. Number three, the thermometer scale starts from 0 Celsius until 100 or 200. 100 or 200. Why? Because the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Why it freezes at 0? So the thermometer, which is used in measuring liquids as water, its graduation is from 0 to 100 or 200. But in clinical thermometer, its graduation is from what to what? Clinical thermometer is from what to what?
35 to 42.
35 to 42. While Celsius is from 0 to 100 or 200. Because water boils at 100 and freezes at 0 degree. Okay? After that, every degree is divided into 10 parts. 10 parts, but each part equals each part equals 1. Each part equals 1, okay? Between 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Till 100. So between 0 and 10, what's the number of dots? 10. 10. There are 10 dots between 0 to 10. From 10 to 20, 10. Okay, so each degree is divided into 10 parts and each one equals 1. Each one equals what? Equals 1. Okay, but in medical thermometer, it's divided into 10 parts, but each part equals 1 over 10. 1 over what? 1 over 10. Okay, understand? 1 over what? 1 over 10. Okay. Structure of Celsius thermometer is a shape of Celsius thermometer. Celsius thermometer is graduated from 10 to 100. Okay, it may be graduated less than 10 and 0, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30 because water freezes at 0. Water freezes at what? At 0 and boils at 100. Boils at what? At 100. So its graduation is from 10 to 100 Celsius. Okay? Why we use mercury in thermometer? As we said before, number one, lad. Number one,
The silver liquid can be easily seen from the glass.
the silver liquid can be easily seen from the glass. Sit down. Number two, Ahmed.
It is a good conductor.
It's a good conductor of heat. Sit down. Number three, Aya.
Mercury is the regularly expanding method.
Good. Mercury is a regularly expanding material. Okay, sit down. Number four, Fatma.
Mercury doesn't
Doesn't stick.
to the well.
wall.
of the tube.
Good. Mercury doesn't stick to the wall of capillary tube. Okay. Number 5. Number 5. Minna.
Stop. Mercury is a liquid between 39 degree and
Negative 39, not 39. Negative 39.
and 357
Degree Celsius. And it has
this has a well.
wide range. Down. Okay. Mercury is a liquid. Mercury is a liquid between negative 39 and 357 degrees Celsius. And this gives a wide what? This gives a wide range. This gives what? A wide range to be liquid. To be what? To be liquid. Okay. Any problems? Okay. Number 1. We said that, Yusuf.
It's a silver liquid can be easily seen from the glass.
Sit down. Yusuf.
It's a good conductor of heat.
Of heat. Sit down. Bitaj.
Mercury is a regular expanding.
Regular expand. Expanding matter. Sit down. Number 4. Salma.
Mercury does not
Stick
the wall of the tube.
of capillary tube. Shawi.
Mercury is liquid between 39 degree
Negative 39.
and 35.
So it gives wide range. So it gives what? It gives wide range. Sit down. After that, the temperature of natural, there are some notes, important notes. Important notes. Number 1. Temperature of the natural human body is 37 degrees Celsius. So the graduation of medical thermometer is from 35 to 42. Okay? Number 2. Don't press on your teeth not to break the thermometer and mercury enters. Mercury enters. Why? Why? Avoid seize by your teeth in the clinical thermometer when it's put under the tongue or inside the mouth. Why? Why? Yeah.
To avoid it broken and mercury enters.
Good. To avoid it's broken as mercury is a toxic material. Okay? Number 3, when you measure the temperature of liquid to be put in the thermometer vertically and have a look to the graduation vertically to the thermometer. As when we measure the temperature of any patient, we must put thermometer in a vertical direction as it's. So the side must be horizontal on thermometer, and thermometer must be found in a vertical position, and the side must be in horizontal to get correct way. To get what? Correct way. And these are important notes in this lesson. Okay? Any problems? We are going to This video shows that the main idea on which thermometer is working, as we are going to show that liquids expand by heating and contract by cooling. If we get colored water and we put it in a flask, so we cover its opening by a piece of clay and we fix a small tube in it, so the water rises up. And if we mark the level of water by marker, okay, mark the level of water by marker. And what happens if you put this flask first in a hot cup of tea? And we will observe what happens. Second, in an iced glass beaker, and we are going to what's your observation. Finally, we can conclude that. Okay, follow the video. Mark the level of water by marker. Okay, then put it first in hot water. What happens? Observe what happens to a level of water. Observe first. What happens? What happens? It rises up. So it expands by heating. Expands by heating. So liquids expand by heating. Okay? The level of water is mark. It expands. Okay? If you put it second in an iced glass sheet, what happens in iced glass? So, observe the level of water. What happens to level of water? Observe what happens? Falls down. When we put it in iced water or iced glass, in cold water. So, what happens when you put the colored water first in hot water? What happens? Mariam?
The level of water expands.
Expands or increases down. Then when we put it in iced water, what happens? Contracts or decreases, falls down. Okay, what's your conclusion from this activity? What's your conclusion from this activity? Yosef?
The volume of water changes by changing the temperature.
Good. The volume of water changes by changing temperature and what yet? Good. Liquids expand by heating and contract by cooling. Okay? Understand? Any problems? Now we are going to show video which shows the structure of medical thermometer and how can we use it in measuring temperature. Okay?
Clinical thermometer. In this module, you
This is a clinical thermometer. Okay?
Your forehead is warm.
We said that we can't depend on our sense of touch in measuring temperature, but we use what? Thermometer. What's the structure of
How
thermometer?
do you do that? Well, with the help of
First, thermometer is put in what? Is put in ice, is put in ethyl alcohol. Is put in what? In ethyl what? In ethyl alcohol. To be sterilized. To be what? Sterilized. Mercury bulb
and one of its ends
filled with mercury.
in a fine capillary tube.
Fine capillary
That
tube
looks like a thread.
that's graduated from 35
Its upper end.
to 42. The important structure, small constriction, that prevents mercury from falling down quickly.
Temperature ranging from
35 to 42 Celsius, not Fahrenheit.
degrees Celsius
Okay, Fahrenheit,
or
not be studied.
degrees Fahrenheit.
From 35 to 42 Celsius. Okay,
That's a pretty small range. You can get the temperature by reading the scale inscribed
this is the scale of graduation of medical thermometer from 35 to 42.
How
Okay,
the thermometer works. A clinical
how can we use it?
is used
By putting it under the tongue, inside the mouth of patient. When the patient becomes hot, so the mercury as a liquid metal good conductor of heat expands regularly without sticking to define capillary tube. Okay? So the mercury expands by heating as the patient smokes. Okay? And we can measure temperature of patient as did.
If the reading changes on
We can measure it by putting it in what? In vertical position. The side must be horizontal. As what?
the constriction prevents the
Constriction. It what? Prevents mercury from falling back quickly.
Say that the mercury column breaks at the constriction and is unable to return to the valve, thus remaining stationary in the tube. To reset the thermometer,
We must check it well. We must check it well before using. Why? To force mercury to fall down to the mercury valve. Okay? To read new reading.
mercury is used in a clinical thermometer
Mercury is used.
as well as other thermometers.
And other insulated thermometer. The thermometer is liquid. Why? This is the liquid. Mercury is a
It
metal.
is a good conductor.
This is the mercury.
It starts to expand instantly.
Expand instantly because it's only liquid metal which is good conductor of heat.
It can be seen as a rising thread of mercury. Second, mercury remains a liquid,
Remains liquid.
at temperatures
Show temperature from negative 39, negative 39 to 357, it becomes liquid.
357 degrees Celsius.
Becomes liquid.
Hence, it can serve to measure a vast
Therefore, it
temperature.
has a wide range to be liquid. Wide range from negative 39 to 357.
Though using mercury thermometers has advantages,
The advantage of using mercury.
it is risky. This is because mercury is poisonous. In
Okay,
case the
what happens if you seize by your teeth on the mercury bulb? The mercury will be broken, or mercury bulb will be broken, and the mercury entered. So, based mercury clinical thermometer, digital thermometer, and they are the forms of clinical thermometer. Okay?
or scanner thermometers. In this module you learned a clinical thermometer.
Clinical thermometer, and we okay? Understand?
Yeah.
Any problems?
No.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, thanks.